Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It is Michael from Hollowed Thrills, and today we are taking a little break from all of the LA videos, as this is going to be my quote-unquote 1 year anniversary video, as on Sunday the 18th of April was the 1 year anniversary of my first upload on this channel. Now since then we have gained 272 subscribers, which is completely beyond what I thought that I would have at this point. It's all thanks to you guys from passing the word along, the friends that I've gained throughout the way, being Adrian, Scott, Eddie, Chris, Anthony, John, like all the Boo Bros, Connor, all the Boo Bros that I could possibly think of. So big shout out to the Boo Bros, me being a part of that. Check out that channel if you have not, and also check out all of their personal channels. They are a big help in helping my channel grow this year, as well as, I gotta pat myself in the back a little bit because I had to put all the effort into making these videos for you guys. So it's just a big effort on my part to be able to put these videos out for you, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed this past year of videos and uploads for you guys. Now, that being said, today, like I said, we're going to be doing a little bit different video, taking away from the LA stuff. Over this entire month of April, I have been partnered with HHN Orlando fan page on Instagram and Twitter, and he has a HHN mystery box that he is selling through his Etsy page that you can go purchase, and I have partnered with him for the entire month of April to get these mystery packages. And I bought one of the mystery packages to unbox for you guys to see what you could get in it, and this is particularly the upgraded one. This is the $30 upgraded one that has the t-shirt in it, and this is just, I'm just going to show you all the stuff that you can get in it, including a special thing from me in there, just showing off, like, gaining more traction for the channel so that I can put out better content for you guys. Now, with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, now I will say one more thing before we actually get into this. Please make sure that you are subscribed and have the bell notification turned on if you are not. It really helps spread my channel to the rest of the community and allow them to view what I make for you guys, and hopefully that they can enjoy it as well. And also, while you're at it, go over and check out my TeePublic. I have a whole bunch of merchandise over there you can buy just to rep Hollowed Thrills as much as you want. And then also my Instagram and my Twitter are also down in the description, so you can go follow that. Now, without further ado and without any more delay, we have the upgraded HHN mystery box from HHN Orlando fan page. So we are going to open this up. I got a little stool right in front of the camera so I can be able to do this. So we'll start off with these three items. Are very similar. We have the Jax Maniacs, like different kind of like rubber band bracelets. So it says Jax Maniacs on one side and then Hell Yeah Jack on the other. And it comes in 3 different colors. So really cool. We'll definitely, you know what? I'm a big fan of blue. So I'm gonna put that on right now. Alright, now let's move on to the next item. Ooh, we have a little lanyard, and I believe this is from 27. It also includes the HHN like ticket holder. Is this from 27? Yes, it is from 27. My very first year of HHN, so super stoked about this lanyard, to have one from my first year, because I do not actually have one from that year, as I only went one night for that year, so I didn't get like any merchandise. Really kind of dumb that I didn't, but looking back on it now, I kind of regret it. But yeah, we have a lanyard now. Let's see, closing my eyes. What's this? What is this? Oh, another lanyard. Okay, another lanyard with another ticket holder. This one is 26, so adding to my collection of HHN lanyards now, because I have 30, 25, 26, and now 27 as well. Really awesome. This one is the year that Chance was the icon, so really cool. Wasn't that good of a year from what I've heard, but still really cool lanyard. Let's close our eyes again, pick something else out. What do we got here? Ooh, okay, there's a packet of stuff. Okay, we got a big packet of stuff. So let's start off with these. So we have some of the cards that you could have purchased of the tickets for HHN. I believe this is $4.29. I believe these were specifically $4.29. And this is, yeah, they're just tickets, yeah, that you could have bought from I believe Publix had these. Yeah, cool. And they have a bunch of stickers in here, so we'll go through all those stickers. All right, so we got a bunch of stickers. We got some icon stickers, some one of the caretaker, not the caretaker, oh god, the storyteller. We have a Tooth Fairy, my favorite house from the little HHN light that we had, and another one of those icon stickers. Pretty cool. Put that over there with the rest of the stuff. And we have, ooh, an adventure passport, ET Adventure Passport. It says phoning home, and then it has a barcode. I believe that they gave these out at the attraction. I'm not entirely sure because I've never seen this, but it's really cool because I absolutely love that attraction. I am a hardcore fan for that attraction now because of Adrian Losh TV. He has turned me to the ways of ET Adventure. I go on that ride every single time I'm at Universal. Absolutely love it. So we got okay, it's a bunch of buttons. Bunch of buttons. So we have the HHN Orlando fan page button. That's the guy that I've partnered with and the guy who makes these mystery boxes. Really cool. Shout out to him. We have a Jack button. We have a there it is. We have a Boo Bros button. They were last month's sponsor for these boxes. Shout out to Boo Bros once again. Shout out to me technically because I'm part of it, but big shout out. We have a caretaker button and a storyteller button. Really awesome. And then finally, we have a HHN 29 little coin. I have one of these already, so I'll just add right onto that. Really cool. And now, I believe, yes, here it is, our specialty for this month. This is a little business card that he has put into this month's boxes for my channel. There it is. You get your little own Hollywood Thrills pin, little business card, and it has a QR code for the channel, so you can go scan that and it'll bring you automatically to my channel. So get your, I guess, promotional Hollywood Thrills merchandise through this box. Really cool. That's so awesome. And we have another one that's we also partnered with him on this month. So also partnered with him on this month is Journey with Josh. One of Adrian's friends. Have not actually personally hung out with him, but really cool guy. Honestly, go check out his channel as well. I know he's been struggling a little bit with his videos. He puts a lot of effort into them, and I don't want to see that go to waste. So creators helping creators, go give him a sub. Now going through the rest of this little pack, there's a ton of stuff in this mystery box. Good God. We have a 3-pack of HHN Orlando fan page stickers. What else do we have? And a storyteller, I guess is a keychain. Storyteller keychain. Cool. And the last thing that was in that little packet there. Ooh, yes. So I do not have any of these. This is a parade medallion. Really cool. A Horror Nights parade medallion for, I'm not entirely sure what year this is, but it has like the little like gremlin type thing that's biting the eye. It's really cool. I think it's from, nope, not even gonna take a guess because I'm gonna get roasted in the comments if I get it wrong. So, moving on. I think this is the last thing. All right, the last thing. We had all that, and then we have this last thing that was taking up a lot of space. And this is our t-shirt that we have for this box. Let's see what is on the t-shirt. And the t-shirt has... Ooh, that's awesome. Has the caretaker right there on the chest, and then on the back it says HHN Orlando fan page. So there you go. That is the box. It was $30 to get the upgraded box, or he has a box for $15, and you get pretty much everything minus the t-shirt. The t-shirt's just an extra $15, but that's just a great value for that box. It is really cool that he did all that for this box, and I was super stoked to be able to partner with him for the month of April. So there's still like a week or two left in April, so if you want to go check that out, the link will be in the description for the boxes, and also a link to his Instagram as well to go check it out, because he does sell them separately through his DM, and he'll give you a little bit of a deal if you're nice to him, I guess. But go check it out. Get your own little merchandise related to Hallowed Thrills. Dropped it, but anyways, go get your little merchandise of Hallowed Thrills. Go check out the box, and just, yeah. So that is going to wrap up our video here today. If you enjoyed, make sure that you drop a like, and also comment if you've actually gotten one of these mystery boxes, or if you follow him or myself over on Instagram. Would love to hear that you guys are doing that. It really helps get my name out there. Just absolutely love you guys for the support that you've given me this past year. It has been a fantastic ride so far, and I cannot wait to continue making content for you guys. 365 days plus down, and another lifetime of videos to go for you guys. Thank you very much for 1 year, 272 subscribers up to this point. Could not have done it without you guys. But as always, I'm Michael. This has been Hallowed Thrills, and I'll see you guys next time.